What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Owl's Nest. Today's video is going to be a hyped up video because I have in my possession the Red Hulk Hot Topic exclusive. We're hoping for a chase today. Here we go. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we have the Red Hulk right here. We don't know if we have the chase yet or not, but a quick little story before we jump into this box. Went ahead and called my Hot Topic the day that it was supposed to, or the day before that it was supposed to release, and asked if they were going to get the Red Hulks in stock. They said, stay tuned to our Instagram page. We usually post, if we get new pops in stock, and they're going to release in the next day. I was like, okay, so I set my feelers for the Instagram page of my local Hot Topic, and I didn't see nothing the whole day, the whole night, nothing. The very next day, I called and asked if they were going to get them the next day, and they said, "Stay tuned. Same information. They'll let you know. They'll let the people know if it's going to be released in the next day or whatever. However they do it. The day before that they actually release, they'll post pictures on Instagram." I was like, okay. Not even like an hour, maybe 2 hours later, I see a post on Instagram from my local Hot Topic saying that come get them. They're here this morning. I couldn't make it, so I kind of missed out on that, and I had planned on going to that day, but since they said they did not put any pictures out the day before, I was like, okay, maybe I'll go whenever they have them. But long story short, did not get a chance to get the Red Hulk chase or the common for that matter, so I seen these go up on the Hot Topic website I think a day later, maybe that night, so I went ahead and got two of them. It was only allowed to get two, so I got two. So we're going to head and check out and see if we got the chase right here or not. Let's open this thing. Here we go. Chase Roulette, Red Hulk. Let's get this chase. So cool, they are in sorters. There's one, there's two. We have two chances right here to get the Red Hulk chase. Hopefully we get these. Hopefully we get the chase, and hopefully, I don't know, I'm hoping we get a chase. So here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Now I'll let you look at it first because I want to be surprised. Bam. Is it the chase? Not the chase. Not the chase. We'll be opening these anyways because I want to see what it actually looks like outside of the box. So we have one more. Hopefully it's the chase. Hopefully it is the chase. But there it is right there. The Red Hulk. There's the front. There's the side. The back. Just a single Red Hulk card. And the other side. And the front again. Let's get this chase. In 3, 2, 1. Bam. Is it the chase? Is it the chase? Bah. It is not the chase. I didn't think it was going to be the chase. I am not that lucky. So right now I am what? 1 and 3 of the Chase Roulette game. No, 1 and 4 of the Chase Roulette game. I've only got the chase once, and it was the chili chase, which is right over there. So let's go ahead and take a look at this outside of the box and see what it looks like. See what all the hype is about. I mean, I know what the hype is. It's Hulk. It's Red Hulk. So there he is right there. Really freaking sweet. That looks really dope. It'd be even doper if he had glow to him. You know what I mean? Does that pop have glow? No, he don't. He don't have glow.
It'd be a lot cooler if you did.
There he is right there. Red Hulk. Now I think I need to get the Red She-Hulk, right? I think I need to get the Red She-Hulk. And just make them a pair. Yeah. There we go. Right there. Red Hulk. Well, that's my time for now. I'd like to thank you for clicking and watching. Be sure to give this video a like, a comment, and a subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. On behalf of the Owl's Nest, I'll see you flock of collectors in the next one.